Hey guys, I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A51 versus the Samsung Galaxy A7 2018, and A7 2018 comes with a Samsung Exynos 7885 chipset with 4 GB of RAM, while the Samsung Galaxy A51 comes with a new Exynos 9611 chipset with 6 GB of RAM, and A51 comes with a quad cameras on the back, while the A7 2018 comes with a triple cameras on the back. Like always, let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time and let's see who is going to be the fastest one. Here we go. And logo came up first on the A7, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A51. And Samsung Galaxy A51 is running on Android 10 versus Android 9 on the Samsung Galaxy A7 2018. So let's see which one is going to be the fastest one. And you can see Samsung Galaxy A7 2018 is faster than the Samsung Galaxy A51, and both phones comes with a Full HD Super AMOLED display, while the A51 comes with the Infinity O display. It is a hole punch display, while the A7 2018 comes with the old 18:5:9 aspect ratio. Like always, everything is closed up in the background, and you can see we have a 4 GB RAM versus a 6 GB RAM on the Samsung Galaxy A51, and A7 2018 comes with a side fingerprint scanner, and you can see, while the A51 comes with the in-display fingerprint scanner. And the first application I'm gonna open is the phone dialer basic stuff. Here we go, and that seems like a little bit faster on the A51, followed by the A7 2018. Let's opening up the settings, and you can see that feels like a little bit faster on the A51, followed by the A7 2018. Next on the list is the mic lock, and that was about the same on both phones. Again, you guys are the judge of the speed test. Opening up the calendar, and you can see that is faster on the A51 again, followed by the A7 2018. A7 2018 is right behind to the Samsung Galaxy A51. So next on the list is the my files, and that is again a little bit faster on the A51. Let's open up YouTube. Same Wi-Fi network on both phones, and you can see about the same on both phones, no difference there. Let's see some games application, and first on the list is the Candy Crush Saga. Here we go. And that is faster on Samsung Galaxy A51, followed by the A7 2018. Next on the list is the Subway Surfer on both phones. Here we go. Who is going to be the fastest one? Again, Samsung Galaxy A51 is faster there, while the A7 2018 is also right behind. Not a huge difference there, about half a second difference there, maybe 1 second difference there. So last game application I'm gonna open is the Temper and 2. Boom, launching at the same time. Let's see. And again, Samsung Galaxy A51 is just a tiny bit faster there, just a tiny bit, while the A7 2018 is also right behind, and you can see not huge difference, but still Samsung Galaxy A51 is faster in every game app. Last time I'm launching the cameras on both phones. Default camera app, here we go, and that was about the same on both phones. We have a 8 megapixel ultra wide versus a 12 megapixel ultra wide on the A51, and also we have a main 48 megapixel main sensor, and also we have a 5 megapixel macro lens which you don't see on the Samsung Galaxy A7 2018. Let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using Samsung internet browser on the A51 versus a Google Chrome on the A7 2018, because I don't have Samsung internet browser on the A7 2018 right now. So apple.com on both phones, same Wi-Fi network. Who is going to be the fastest one? And you can see Samsung Galaxy A51 is faster there, and the Samsung Galaxy A7 2018 is also done. So let's see, the scrolling on both phones feels very smooth on both phones. Same thing with zooming in and out, and you can see next website on the list is the WWE.com. Here we go, and let's see which one is faster. And seems like A7 2018 is faster there, but again you guys are the judge of the speed test. Let's remove that on both phones and let's see the scrolling. And you can see it's very smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. Both phones perform really good. You can see same thing with zooming in and out, no lag whatsoever. Let's see the RAM measurement on both phones. We have 4 GB RAM versus a 6 GB RAM on the Samsung Galaxy A51. So phone dialer, now refresh on both phones. Moving on with settings, and that got refresh on the A7 2018. We have Android 9 versus Android 10 on the Samsung Galaxy A51. Again refresh on the A7 2018. Let's see YouTube, and you can see again no refresh. And let's see Candy Crush Saga, that is also not refresh on both phones. Some refresh on the A7 2018. Let's see the Temple Run 2, that is also not refresh. And last we are back to the internet browser where we left. Overall, I have to say that the app's opening speed is definitely faster on the Samsung Galaxy A51, but in system-based application that was exactly the same on both phones. RAM management is absolutely incredible on the A51, but many applications refresh on the A7 2018, especially in system-based application. So thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A51 versus the Samsung Galaxy A7 2018, and let me know what kind of more videos you want to see regarding the Samsung Galaxy A51, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.